Hi, and welcome to the Worldwide Center of Math's Think Thursday problem. This week, the problem is the average age of a 10-member committee is the same as it was 4 years ago, even though this year an older-aged member was replaced by a younger-aged member. How much younger is the young member than the old member they replaced? So what we want to do is create two different equations for the averages, one for 4 years ago and one for this year, and then we can equate them to each other and solve for how young the young member is in comparison to the old member they replaced. So let's begin by calling the age of the old member Z. And we'll call the age of the young member Y. We can also call the sum of the other 9 members. So since there's 10 members, one is old, then he gets replaced by one that's younger. There's 9 other members that stay the same. We'll call the sum of those ages X. So now that we have these variables, we can write some equations for the averages. So writing an equation for 4 years ago. This one's pretty easy. It's just the sum of the age of the other 9 members, X, plus the age of the old member over 10. Now we can write an equation for this year. So the average for this year is a little bit more tricky. So we obviously need X, the sum of the other 9 members, plus Y, the age of the young member. But since we defined these variables as their ages 4 years ago, what we want to add is 4 times 10, since each of these members, the 9 and the young member, all age 4 years. So 4 times 10, add that to the top, and then divide by 10. These are now equal, so we can write an equation making them equal and then solve. So solving out, what we get is that Z is equal to 40 plus Y, so what that tells us is that the young member is actually 40 years younger than the old member they replaced. So that's all we have for you today for this week's Think Thursday problem. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please check out some more of our YouTube videos and check us out on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Thank you.